Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's create an eye look that takes only 5 minutes. So let's get into the video. Take a light brown eyeshadow. You can use your fingers or fluffy brush to blend it out. Now take some black eyeshadow on a pointed brush to create the wing. I mean, trust me, it's so easy, anyone can do it. Once you have your wing, now take a kajal of your choice and apply it to your waterline. Then take a small brush and smudge the kajal to create the perfect smoky finish. Next, coat your lashes with some mascara. And here is the final look, a super easy soft brown smoky eye. So do create this look and thank me later.